Today we're going to discuss about the subphylum Urochordata or Tunicata, phylum Chordata, kingdom Animaliae, Unit 1, Chapter 2 in Zoology. So subphylum Urochordata or Tunicata, in Greek, uro means a tail and in Latin, chord means cord. So euro means a tail in Greek and in Latin the cord means cord. So they are mainly marine forms. So they are called as sea squirrels. So they are marine forms. Because of the marine forms they called it as sea squirrels. Mostly sessile. So they are sessile means they don't have any substratum, don't have any thing to attach it to the soil. So they are sessile and some pelagic or free swimming. Pelagic means open in the sea water and they may live in the coastal inland, that is coastal inland of the ocean. So they are live in the oceans or in the open sea water. So and they are free swimming. Exist as a solitary and colonial form. Solitary means single. So they may occur in a single or in colonies. Colonial forms means in colonies. The body is unsegmented and covered by a test or tunica. So there is no segmentation as we see in the earthworm. So the body is non-segmented, that is non-segmented or unsegmented. And the outer covering of the body is covered by a testa or tunica. So test or tunic. So the body is unsegmented and it is covered by a tunica or testa. So this they may ask in 1 mark. Because of the outer covering of the body tunic, the name came as tunicata. The adult forms are sac-like. So in adult forms you can see a sac-like appearance on the body surface. So sac-like means a bag-like structure. Coelom is absent but has an atrial cavity surrounded by the pharynx. So coelom means the body cavity is absent but there is an atrial cavity which surrounds the pharynx region. Notochord. So notochord is present only in the tail region of the larval stage because the notochord is the backbone which is in advanced organism we can say it is the backbone, but in this phylum the notochord is seen in the tail region. Because of that the name came as Urochordata. Alimentary canal is completely developed and it is complete. There is no incomplete situation. Complete. Alimentary canal means the digestive system is complete. And the circulatory system is of open type. So there is no formal blood vessels and the heart. So the circulatory system is open type. But the heart is ventral and tubular shape. So our heart is 4-chamber heart. Like that. The heart is ventral and tubular shape. Okay. So respiration takes place because it lives in the sea. So the respiration takes place through gill slits and clefts. The dorsal tubular nerve cord is present only in the larval stage. So there is a tubular nerve cord which is on the upper side. Dorsal means upper side of the organism that is seen only in the larval stage. And a single dorsal ganglion is present in the adult stage. So there is a nerve cord. It is tubular in shape which is seen in the larval stage. And a single dorsal ganglion structure, it is present in the adult stage. So the dorsal nerve cord is seen only in the larval stage and the single ganglion is present in the adult stage. So mostly hermaphrodites. Hermaphrodites means the presence of two gonads, male and female sex gonads, that is nothing but the sex organs, will be seen in the same individual. Then it is called hermaphrodite. The development is indirect and includes a free swimming tadpole larva with chordate characters. So hermaphrodite means presence of two sex organs in the same organism, and the development is indirect. So laying eggs after the process of developing larval stage. Here the larval stage is free swimming tadpole larva, but it shows the chordate characters. So the tadpole free swimming tadpole larva, they may ask in your 1 mark as well as in your NEET exam. Retrogressive metamorphosis is seen. Retrogressive means repeating. So the repetition of the larval stage can be taken place from adult and adult to the larval. So it is repeating, retrieving its past. That is called retrogressive metamorphosis is seen. So the examples of this urochordate is Ascidia, Salpa, Dolly-Lolam. So this is the Ascidia one, and this is Salpa, and this is Dolly-Lolam. Hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubts, post your doubts in the comment box. Give a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel.